Okay, today I want us to solve a question. The question is on the screen. If A is equal to this, find A. You see these three dots means that all these things, they continue and we multiply all of them together. So when we multiply all of them together, what are we going to get? So they give us options. Look at the options. So which one is correct? Well, the first thing to do in a question like this is that there's a pattern. You notice that each of them, they have this particular pattern, 1 minus 1 over n squared. If you check, you see that all of them, they have this pattern. What do we do with this kind of pattern? Let me explain. Now in maths, there's something called difference of two squares. So watch me. Now, you know that in this question, the pattern we have is what? 1 over 1 minus what? N squared. Do you know that I can write this thing like this? 1 minus 1 over n, then bracket 1 plus 1 over n. Do you know why I'm correct? Let me explain. Watch. 1 times 1, that will give you 1. 1 times this, that will give you plus 1 over n. Okay. Now, that means I've used this one to multiply. Do you understand? Now, let's use this one now to multiply. Watch you. This times this, minus 1 over n. Then this times this, minus 1 over n squared. You'll agree with me that now, this one will cancel this one, because they are opposite. So see the answer. The answer is equal to this one. So it means that I can say that this pattern can be broken down into this. 1 minus 1 over n, 1 plus 1 over n. So with this background, let's solve the question. So now you agree with me now that the question they gave us now, okay? I can break it down. How will I break it down? Watch. So that means my A now, this my A is equal to, now watch. Instead of me now, to write this thing like this, I'm going to write it using that structure I gave us. Look at the structure. 1 minus 1 over n, 1 plus 1 over n. So watch me now. So I'm going to write this first one as 1 minus 1 over 2. Then 1 plus 1 over 2. Now I'll cover it. Do you understand? Okay. So that one is gone. So let me take the second bracket, okay? All right. For the second bracket, the same thing. So I will say 1 minus 1 over 3. And what? 1 plus 1 over 3. Do you understand? Okay. Let's take the third bracket. Now the third bracket says what? The same thing. 1 minus 1 over 4. Then 1 plus what? 1 over 4. Do you understand? Okay. Now you agree with me that this one will continue until I reach the last bracket. What's the last bracket? Okay. That is 1 minus 1 over 50. Right? Okay. Times what? 1 plus 1 over 50. Do you understand? Okay. Now let's take it one after the other. Yeah, watch. You will see that 1 minus 1 over 2 means what in mathematics? That is 1 over 2. Okay? You can use calculator for that one. 1 plus 1 over 2, that's what? 3 over 2. So you can see now I'm done with the first one, right? Okay. So let me put that one in a bracket. The same bracket as before. Now for the second bracket, what do you think is 1 minus 1 over 3? 1 minus 1 over 3 is what? 2 over 3. Do you agree with that? Okay. What is 1 plus 1 over 3? 1 plus 1 over 3 is what? 4 over 3. Do you agree with that? Okay. Now the third bracket, watch. Look at the third bracket. The third bracket says what? 1 minus 1 over 4. That is what? 3 over 4. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 over 4. That is what? 5 over 4. Okay. So now this will continue, right? Until I reach the final one. What is the final one? 1 minus 1 over 50, right? What's that? 49 over 50. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 over 50. What is that? 51 over 50. Okay. Let's close it now. So what do you observe? Well, this is what I observe. You will see that this first one will not touch it. So don't touch it. Look at the last one. Don't touch it. Watch you. Don't touch the first one. Don't touch the last one. Look at the remaining ones. Watch. 2 cancel 2. 3, cancel 3. 4, cancel 4. 3, cancel 3. That means that the remaining one, they will cancel each other. All of them will cancel. Even this one too, they will cancel. So it will only mean the first and the last one. So the first one is half. And the last one is what? 51 over 50. So what do you think is the answer? 51 over 100. And that is all. So let's confirm now. Let's check. Oh yeah, which of the options is correct? Option C. And that's it. Thank you and bye.